Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Crypto Explorer. In today's video I'm going to show you how to claim your EOS Mainnet coins that you got from the snapshot of their ERC20 tokens. Now this only applies to those who registered their tokens, their ERC20 tokens with EOS, and they hold their private keys. If your EOS tokens were on an exchange or some other wallets like XUEZ, they may have their own different process for claiming your mainnet tokens. So in this video, it will be assumed that you've already registered your tokens and you were given your public key and private key for the mainnet. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is go to eosrio.io/simpleios and simple EOS, and here I am at their website. I'll put a link in the description and click download, and we're on Windows, so I'm going to click download, click save, and then when it's done downloading, we're going to run it to install. Click run, click more info, and then run anyway. And you can see here it's installing. Okay, now the application will launch, and if you're curious, there's a shortcut on the desktop. So here you're presented with import your existing key, import your XUEZ wallet, request a new account. So I'm going to put my public key first that was given to me. And I just want to do a check, so I'm going to paste it here, and if you click check, it'll show the balance. Now I'm going to block this out, but you'll see whatever balance you had. Now this is how many EOS tokens you had at the time of the snapshot. And then I'm going to click import existing key, and then I'm going to paste my EOS private key. And then I'm going to click next. And then I'm going to give myself a strong password. Then click next. And check I abide by the Constitution. Click next. And this is a lock screen if you want to. It's up to you. You can set a pin. I'm going to set a pin on here. Make sure I got it right. And there you go. Well, that's it for this video. Hopefully I can explore more of what the EOS blockchain has to offer and learn more about it now that its mainnet is up, and hopefully provide more videos about EOS and how to use it. Anyway, thank you for watching.